Hey, Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth Managers. How you doing today? Hope you had the good holidays. Everything's cool. Put the stuff away, trees thrown away, and all that good stuff. You happen to watch TV. You see the tax preparation services are already advertising. It's like they just sort of overwhelm the people that are, going to go work out for the new year and everything. No, tax filing. Time to do your taxes. It's time to focus on this because you know those tax bills are coming in. I want to talk to you about getting your taxes done for free, though, actually. You know you can do that. You don't have to pay those software companies. If you want to, you can. But the IRS actually offers this for free for a lot of people, actually, 140 million of you guys out there. So I want to share this with you because, look, tax law is ridiculous, right? Prior to the new tax law being implemented, there were over 10 million words in the tax code. 144,000 and change were added every single year. How do you keep up with that? It makes you just want to give up and just go, here, $200, just go do my taxes or whatever it costs because I can't keep up with all this stuff. Okay, I understand it there, but a lot of us are like, hey man, I don't want to spend that money. I don't have that money. Why should I have to spend that money? You guys make me pay the taxes. Give me a way to pay the taxes here for you here. So here's what you got. The IRS says, they actually have a free software. It'll actually guide you, just like TurboTax or H&R Block and everything. It's called Free File. Wrote it up there for you so you can see. You just go look for Free File from the IRS there. And if you earned less than $70,000 in 2019, it's 100% free. It'll guide you through doing your taxes. You can file them. You can even file your state taxes. If you have state taxes in your area, you can file a state return. It's 100% free for people that earn less than $70,000. Pretty awesome, right? So before you go spend that money, anywhere from $40 at like a basic TurboTax kind of thing to a couple $100 to go have a person do it for you, your tax guy or whatever, consider doing it for free. Save the extra dough. Do something extra with it there. Because according to Social Security, that's about 140 million people that earned less than $70,000 in 2019. So it's called Free File. I hope you'll check that out. Just go see if it's something that fits you there. The IRS is offering it. You notice another one up there, VITA, right? It's the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. VITA is what it's called there. And this is for people that earned a little bit less. If you earned less than $59,000 in 2019, which according to Social Security, I just looked it up, 120 million of you, so that's still a lot of people earned less than $59,000 in 2019. They'll actually help you. This is actually an assistance program where they'll kind of guide you through it, make sure you don't trip up on anything, versus doing the TurboTax version, the Free File, where you're sort of walking through a software program. So if you found that you earned a little bit less under $59,000, consider looking that up as well. Just Google search VITA or the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program, and maybe something you want to do. Now, if you're elderly, I disagree with this term elderly, but it means 60 plus, right? If you're over the age of 60 or 60, the IRS considers you elderly. And if you happen to earn less than $56,000, there's something called the tax counseling for the elderly, I believe. It's the TCE is what it's called. TCE for short. And so basically what that is volunteer programs. There's maybe some in your area where people actually help you do your taxes if you are over the age of 60 and you earn less than $56,000. It's free, right? And these people, by the way, that help you do this, I've heard a lot of great things about this because these are people that have spent years doing taxes and they're of a certain age, 60 plus. So they themselves are also personally dealing with IRA distribution, Social Security, things like that. So it's a great place to go, find somebody you like, and get free help for that as well. So there you go. How to get your taxes done free in 2020. If you earn more than the $70,000, you may have a more complicated financial situation. Of course, get a tax professional. I'm not in any way saying you go use this. It wouldn't be. I mean, they offer the free fillable forms, but it's not technically free at that point. You got to use something else. But you have Free File available to you if you're in the low to mid income level, according to the IRS. You've also got volunteer tax assistance, and you also have help for the elderly. So consider using some of that before you decide to go spend your hard-earned dough on getting your taxes done, because it's hard enough, man. Get some help. Anyways, I hope you'll join us later for The Closing Beat. It's a live show that we do every day to cover the stock market, updates on things, what's happening in the markets. You notice the market's wiggling around a little bit more there lately. We're going to talk about it today, so I hope you'll join us live on our YouTube channel every day, actually, at 5 p.m. Go to Jazz Wealth Managers on our YouTube channel, and I hope to see you there. If I helped you in some way today, maybe you'll hit the subscribe button. Let me know. Did you use Free File? Did you like it? Leave some comments below. Let's see if you had a good experience. Maybe it helps out somebody else. I appreciate that. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you soon.
Why should you choose Jazz Wealth as your retirement or long-term investing service? Our portfolios are managed by us, not some faceless mutual fund manager. Our private classes will teach you everything about investing and getting your dough straight. Best of all, our fiduciary standard means your best interest comes before ours.